Now students, we are on the last topic of this unit, that is business risk. See, risk cannot be eliminated from any type of business, but it could be minimized. So we'll be understanding what is business risk, what is the nature of business risk, and what are the causes. Remember, risk can never be zero, it cannot be eliminated, but we could minimize it. So let us see what is risk. Business risk refers to uncertainties or unexpected events in business which may lead to inadequate profits or even losses. Business risk can be divided into two categories, speculative risk and pure risk. Now, what is speculative risk? This risk refers to the possibility of gain as well as loss. It may arise due to changes in the market conditions like changes in consumer preferences, fluctuation in the prices, fluctuation in demand and supply, etc. So such type of risk may either lead to the profits or even losses. Second, and moreover, favorable conditions, market conditions, they generate profit, while unfavorable condition may are likely to result in losses for a business. So both possibilities of profits as well as losses, they lead to speculative risk. Second category is pure risk. What is pure risk? It refers to either the possibility of loss or no loss. Change in gain in such condition, in such kind of risk is always possible. So either loss or no loss. That is, let us suppose natural calamity. Either it will destroy or it will not destroy the business concern. Such type of risk are referred to as pure risk. So there are two types of business risk: speculative risk, which may lead to either profits or losses, and pure risk, which may lead to losses or no losses. So now we'll be concentrating upon the characteristics of business risk, or what is the nature of business risk. First feature is business risk arises due to uncertainties. Uncertainty refers to lack of knowledge about future happenings like natural calamities, change in government policies, change in fashion, change in taste and preferences of consumers, etc. So there is always the possibility of uncertainties because future is not certain and we cannot predict the future accurately. It creates a risk as the outcome of future events which are unknown to everyone. Second feature is risk is essential part of every business. Every business has some degree of risk in it. Risk can be minimized but not eliminated entirely. As I told you, risk cannot be zeroed. We cannot eliminate the risk completely, but yes, risk could be minimized, and degree of risk varies from business to business. It may be more in some business, it may be less in other business activities. Next, degree of risk depends mainly on nature and size of business. Nature and size of business determine the amount of risk in any business. For example, nature of business means type of goods and services manufactured and sold. See, there are different types of business activities. A person selling routine products, essential commodities, that is also a business, and the person selling luxurious commodities, that is also a business. So risk is more in luxurious commodities as compared to the essential commodities. Secondly, risk depends upon the size of business, volume of production, size of business. If business is a large scale business, risk is more. If it's a small scale business, risk is less. So degree of risk mainly depends upon the nature and size of business. Profit is the reward of risk taking. If there is no risk, there is no gain. High degree of risk increases the chances to earn profits. An entrepreneur takes risk in order to earn higher profits. Thus, profit is the reward for risk taking. If risk is more, profits are more. If risk is less, profit is also less. So this is how we understand the nature of business risk. Now, what are the reasons? What are the causes of business risk? These are categorized into various parts. Risk may arise due to natural reasons, due to human causes, due to economic causes, or due to some other causes. Let's understand them one by one. Natural causes result in heavy loss of life, property, and income in a business. These calamities could be flood, earthquake, heavy rains, drought, or any other type of natural calamity which destroys the property of a business and leads to heavy destruction and losses. So such type of causes are called the natural causes. Second category is human causes. Risks are unpredicted, risks are uncertain. Now these type of causes, human causes, they involve unpredicted events caused by human behavior. These events could be inefficient management, disruption of work due to strikes, dishonest employees, theft, forgery by the employees, or any such act which leads to destruction or which leads to losses for a business concern are referred to as human causes, where human beings are involved due to their dishonesty, due to disruption in the work leading to strikes, etc. These are all human causes. Third causes are economic causes. Economic causes involve the uncertainties and financial problems resulting in higher unexpected cost of operations in a business. These could be change in the prices, competition, changes in technology, rise in interest rate of borrowing, or any such other reason which is leading to decline in the profits of a business are referred to as economic causes. And other category, that is some other causes of business risk, may involve unforeseen events arising in future, such as political disturbances, mechanical failures like bursting of a boiler in a factory, exchange rate fluctuations, etc. So this way we learned about what are business risk, what are the features of business risk, and what are the causes. With this, the chapter is over. I hope that you have clearly understood the chapter with the help of small animated modules, explanations, examples, etc. Thank you all. Have a nice day.